DURATECH flaring tool. This is very versatile because it has a bunch of different sizes. So we'll very quickly, this is the flaring tool itself, but we'll very quickly show you how to use this. So I already did it on that one. So what you do is you have this clamp here. And I'm gonna go a little faster than I normally would, but we'll put this on, kind of close this up, hold it, and then what we do is we slide this on, and you see these little divots here? That divot's for this. So if I slide this on, if I slide this on, like so, and we gotta push it on, because it kind of wants to clamp itself down. Okay, we line it up, it's got some lines right there, and now what I do is I clamp this down. And if you look, it's kind of tough to see, but if you're looking inside of these holes, it's got kind of ridges in there, and that holds onto this pipe, right? Keeps it from slipping through. So as I tighten this down, there we go, that ain't going nowhere. Then what I do is I start using this, and this will add the flare to the copper. And this will go basically until this has like a chuck in it, almost like a quick release, where you screw it in as much as you can, and then all of a sudden it'll just let loose, and that is kind of your indicator that it is flared enough. So if you see, this is actually getting bigger, and then it skips. So, and you kind of can, well, skip it a few times, but now it's skipped, right? Now what I want to do is rewind it. So I'll pull it back out. Again, I'm trying to do this as quickly as possible for you guys, but really neat tool. It feels really good in my hands. This little T-grip feels good. And we then unclamp it like so. Okay, I'm trying not to drop this on my island. So that's the flaring mechanism inside there. Very nice threads. You know, cool color too, you know, I guess. And then what you do is you open it up, and I will show you, we got our flare, okay? Now, I'll be honest, this one's not perfect because I was rushing it. This one I did off camera 2 seconds ago, and you can see how much nicer that is. But yeah, it flared it. I probably needed to pay more attention to keep it straight or keep it all the way at the top. But yeah, this works very, very well. Very nice tool, has a carrying case. You know, it even came with like kind of like I guess an example. I'm not sure what that is, but if I put this back in here, you know, you kind of can, you always have a spot. Everything has its own place, so you don't lose it. And I'll just show you, I'll just close it up. And this is what the carrying case that it comes with looks like. So you got a little handle. You know, it does have some weight, but it's not extremely heavy. And I think it's just a really nice tool. There it is.